Chapter 21 Word Formation. Synonyms and antonyms. When you want accuracy and effectiveness, whether it be in speech or writing, it is not enough to have a vague idea of words. You must be able to distinguish one word from another with slight variation in its shade of meaning. So, let us have an acquaintance with words which have similar meanings, that is, synonyms. Word synonym: attack, invasion; adequate, sufficient; answer, reply; admire, praise; brief, concise; beautiful, pretty; brave, bold; behavior, conduct; corrupt, dishonest; clever, tactful; choose, select; danger, risk; demolish, destroy; decide, settle; hire, rent; hatred, dislike; pleasure, delight; intelligent, wise; intimate, close; joy, pleasure; junk, rubbish; jaded, tired; jocose, humorous; latent, hidden; lack, shortage; misery, misfortune; naughty, mischievous; oral, verbal; empty, vacant; familiar, known; fair, decent; grief, sorrow; garbage, waste; glory, honor; hazard, danger; quiet, silence; regular, punctual; return, come back; say, speak; secret, hidden; simple, plain; try, attempt; total, aggregate; yawn, doze; occupation, profession; opposite, reverse; obedient, dutiful; pain, sorrow; power, strength; prize, reward; quarrel, dispute; trust, faith; unique, matchless; victory, winning; wisdom, prudence; wicked, immoral; bad, worry; anxiety; teach, coach; yield, consent; zenith, summit. Antonym is a word that is contrary in meaning to another. Word antonym: accept, refuse; arrival, departure; bold, timid; bravery, cowardice; comfort, discomfort; common, rare; dark, light; absent, present; blame, praise; broad, narrow; concise, detailed; clean, dirty; demand, supply; dead, alive; deficit, alive; evil, good; fact, fiction; foolish, wise; failure, success; gloomy, cheerful; great, small; hard, soft; human, inhuman; impure, pure; insert, remove; junior, senior; leader, follower; light, heavy; minor, major; never, always; narrow, wide; oral, written; present, absent; question, answer; respect, insult; solid, liquid; single, multiple; thin, thick; urban, rural; diluted, concentrated; exclude, include; freedom, slavery; lost, found; genuine, fake; gain, loss; giant, small; hope, despair; heaven, hell; intelligent, stupid; joy, sorrow; kind, cruel; loud, quiet; maximum, minimum; messy, neat; noise, silence; open, shut; profit, loss; pain, pleasure; quick, slow; real, unreal; seek, hide; top, bottom, upper, lower, vacant, fill. Let's recapitulate. A synonym conveys the same meaning as the word it is meant to define. On the other hand, an antonym is just the opposite in meaning to the word it is meant to be contrary in meaning. Their use makes a sentence effective, interesting, as well as forceful, and quite often gives clarity to the meaning. As already explained, an antonym conveys just the opposite meaning. Quite often, we form them by adding the following prefixes: unwanted, unwanted, disadvantage, disadvantage, illiterate, illiterate, immoral, immoral, injustice, injustice, irregular, irregular. Sometimes antonyms are formed after adding the suffix at the end of the word, as brain plus less, brainless, color plus less, colorless, but many antonyms are simply new words.